Right everybody, that's my drill as it's come out of the van. I'm using its own base as a trolley. As you can see, that's trolley for it there. Well, that's the base for it there. Now I'm going to lift it up now. I'm going to lift it up on this A-frame. Inspector's coming to see if it's safe. Does it pass? I need to reduce this now, but I can't lift this up anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strap this to that to hold it in position, and I'm going to shorten this so I can get about another 4 or 5 inch on there. I'm going to undo this now, and I'm going to put this hook through that eye as well, and hopefully that should give us enough to lift it up to put it on back on its base. We'll see if we can get it with that. Right everybody, got some fun and games. It's just awkward because it's a tall pillar drill. It weighs half a ton. That's with a base on the table. So what I've done here, I've put this ratchet strap on, that one there, look, just to hold it upright. And now I'm going to loosen that ratchet lift off. I'm going to put some blocks underneath the motor here, and they should give me that extra lift. Well, I've got all from there, where am I? My finger, from here up to there, which is a lot taller than that trolley is down there, up the base, that base there, look. We'll start lifting this then. And I managed to get a bit more extra lift there, look. Can you see? There, I've pushed the pillar up past the actual lift, so got the actual height I needed. Right, that's back on again. Here comes the safety inspector again. Does it pass? Does it pass? That's it folks. Well done.